Good morning. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to teach you how to password protect a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. So here you go. I've got this spreadsheet that I built. You've seen me use this same spreadsheet in other tutorials. I can get to the password protecting in two places. I can go to Review and then over here I can either protect the sheet or the entire workbook. These are the sheets. I have three different sheets. Workbook would be everything, okay? So protect the workbook is what we'll do for this example. And then I choose a password. And then I verify the password. And then I click OK. Now, when somebody opens this spreadsheet, they will be required to put in a password. So there's one other way to get to the password if you can't remember where it's at. It's under review, but if you can't remember, just search protect and this will pop up, protect workbook. You click that and it will pop up that same thing. You'll notice it's asking me for a password so that I can change the password. It's because I made a password for it. Okay. So now that I've put in the password, I can then change the password or have no password or whatever I want to do. All right. That is how you password protect a spreadsheet in Excel. If you found that useful, check out the other tutorials I've made. At this point, I've got over 20 on Excel specifically. And subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.